The best Black Friday deals aren't about buying things you don't need just because they're cheap. They're about finally affording quality products that have been on your wish list all year. Number 1. Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner reaches Black Friday pricing that makes professional-level stain removal accessible for homes with pets, children, or unfortunate spill tendencies. This cleaner attacks carpet stains, upholstery marks, and car interior disasters with powerful suction that extracts embedded dirt traditional vacuuming leaves behind. The portable design allows carrying directly to problem areas rather than lugging entire carpet through house to fixed cleaning station. The heated cleaning action breaks down stains more effectively than cold water alternatives that merely spread problems around. Number 2. Chef Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Chef Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer achieves Black Friday pricing that makes precision cooking accessible to home chefs who recognize temperature determines success fundamentally. This thermometer monitors internal temperature wirelessly, allowing freedom to socialize or prep sides rather than hovering anxiously over grill or oven. The smartphone connectivity sends alerts when target temperature approaches, preventing overcooking that ruins expensive proteins. The multiple probe capacity monitors different items simultaneously coordinating complete meals perfectly. Number 3. AeroGarden Little Indoor Hydroponic Garden. The AeroGarden Little Indoor Hydroponic Garden reaches Black Friday pricing that makes year-round fresh herbs accessible to apartment dwellers and those lacking outdoor garden space. This system grows herbs hydroponically, eliminating soil mess while accelerating growth dramatically versus traditional methods. The integrated LED grow lights provide optimal spectrum regardless of natural light availability or seasonal changes. The automated watering and nutrient delivery removes guesswork and daily attention requirements. The compact footprint fits kitchen counters, providing fresh herbs within arm's reach during cooking. Number 4. Philips Hue Permanent Outdoor String Lights. The Philips Hue Permanent Outdoor String Lights achieve Black Friday pricing that makes smart outdoor lighting accessible for year-round ambiance and holiday displays. These lights install once permanently, then adjust colors and patterns via app for any occasion, eliminating annual installation hassles. The weatherproof construction withstands extreme conditions from scorching summers through freezing winters reliably. The millions of color combinations allow matching any mood, holiday, or event creatively. The scheduling automation turns lights on at sunset and off at bedtime without manual intervention. Number 5. McCook Knife Sets. The McCook Knife Sets reach Black Friday pricing that makes professional quality cutlery accessible to home cooks. Recognizing sharp knives determine efficiency and safety fundamentally. This set provides comprehensive blade selection from paring knives through chef's knives, covering all cutting tasks completely. The German stainless steel maintains sharp edges through extensive use that inferior steel loses quickly, requiring constant resharpening. The ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during extended prep sessions. The block storage protects blades while displaying attractively on counters. The full tang construction provides balance and durability that partial tang alternatives lack structurally. Number 6. Traveler Boren Luggage. The Traveler Boren Luggage achieves Black Friday pricing that makes durable travel gear accessible to frequent flyers and vacation enthusiasts. This luggage withstands baggage handler abuse that destroys cheap alternatives within trips. The spinner wheels glide smoothly through airports without the wobbling that inferior wheels develop quickly. The expandable capacity accommodates souvenirs without requiring additional bags. The TSA-approved locks provide security without risking damage from forced inspections. The organized interior compartments separate clean from dirty clothes and secure valuables properly. The lightweight construction maximizes weight allowance for contents rather than luggage itself. Number 7. Momcozy Clean Pal Baby Bottle Washer. The Momcozy Clean Pal Baby Bottle Washer reaches Black Friday pricing that makes automatic bottle cleaning accessible to exhausted parents prioritizing time and hygiene. This washer cleans, sterilizes, and dries bottles automatically, eliminating tedious manual scrubbing and multiple separate processes. The high-temperature steam sterilization kills bacteria more effectively than hand washing achieves reliably. The capacity handles full-days bottles in single cycle overnight, preparing them for next day. The automatic drying prevents water spot bacteria growth that air drying allows potentially. The compact design fits kitchen counters without dominating limited space. The Black Friday discount makes parenting easier when normally considered luxury for wealthy families only. Number 8. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven achieves Black Friday pricing that makes restaurant-quality pizza accessible at home without expensive outdoor ovens or takeout costs. This oven reaches temperatures that standard home ovens cannot, creating crispy crusts that conventional baking produces inadequately. The rotating stone ensures even cooking without manual turning that timing perfectly proves difficult. The compact countertop design eliminates need for permanent outdoor installation or backyard space. The quick heating reaches cooking temperature in minutes rather than extended preheating standard ovens require. The versatility handles beyond pizza, including flatbreads, quesadillas, or reheating leftovers effectively. The Black Friday savings make specialty appliance accessible when normally seems frivolous compared to using regular oven. Number 9. Oura Ring 4. The Oura Ring 4 reaches Black Friday pricing that makes advanced health tracking accessible in discrete jewelry format. This ring monitors sleep quality, activity levels, heart rate variability, and body temperature, providing comprehensive health insights. The sophisticated algorithms translate raw data into actionable recommendations for improving wellness holistically. The discreet design allows 24/7 wear without the bulk or attention that smartwatches attract. The week-long battery eliminates daily charging anxiety that wrist wearables create. The waterproof construction withstands all activities without removal required. The Black Friday discount makes cutting-edge health technology accessible when normally priced for tech enthusiasts only. Number 10. NordicTrack Treadmill. The NordicTrack Treadmill achieves Black Friday pricing that makes home fitness accessible, eliminating gym memberships and weather excuses. This treadmill provides commercial-quality construction, withstanding daily use that budget models fail under quickly. The interactive training streams professional-led workouts, creating motivation that solo exercise lacks. The incline and decline capabilities simulate outdoor terrain training that flat treadmills cannot replicate. The cushioning system reduces joint impact compared to concrete or asphalt running. The space-saving folding design accommodates homes lacking dedicated gym rooms. The Black Friday savings dramatically reduce payback period versus ongoing gym costs. The convenience eliminates commute time and facility hour restrictions. The family usage distributes cost across multiple users, maximizing value. Number 11. Nexmug Self-Heating Coffee Mug. The Nexmug Self-Heating Coffee Mug reaches Black Friday pricing that makes perfect temperature coffee accessible throughout drinking duration. This mug maintains chosen temperature precisely without overheating or cooling disappointingly. The rechargeable base provides hours of heating between charges during work days. The app control sets exact temperature preferences digitally. The battery indicator prevents unexpected cooling mid-cup. The spill-proof design travels safely in vehicles or offices. The Black Friday discount makes temperature perfection accessible when normally considered gadget for coffee snobs. The improved coffee experience transforms morning routines from merely caffeinating to genuinely enjoying. Number 12. Keurig Pod Coffee Maker. The Keurig Pod Coffee Maker achieves Black Friday pricing that makes convenient quality coffee accessible for busy households. This maker brews single perfect cups in under a minute, eliminating pot waste. The variety of pod flavors accommodates different household preferences without compromise. The simple operation requires merely inserting pod and pressing button. The adjustable cup sizes customize strength preferences. The removable reservoir simplifies refilling. The Black Friday savings make convenience accessible economically versus daily coffee shop visits, accumulating substantially.